All of you come to the question number 16 up to 21, 20, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 29. All of the questions have completed. See, now we will do the question number 21. I am reading the question. The value of pth term and qth term and rth term in AB is A, B, C respectively. Prove that A q minus R, B R minus P plus P minus Q is equal to 0. This is the question. See, this is very important questions. Kindly listen carefully. The value of, what are the terms? Pth term and qth and rth term is A, B, C. माने ये pth term में वैल्यू कहते हैं A and qth term में वैल्यू B and rth term में वैल्यू C. Given. Then prove that A q minus R, B minus C. We will see the proof later. First, try to understand this. There is an AB series and the pth term is A and the qth term is B and the rth term is C. Like nth term. We know what is the value of nth term. N minus 1 d na. But here, what is the term? P term. So replace N with P. Then qth term, again replace N in Q. If we replace P, so what will be the formula? N plus N, P plus P. This is again Q, A plus Q minus 1 D. In the accordingly we will find the series. But what is the value of pth term? That is A is equal to A. Qth term, this is B. Like rth term. Simply, Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So replace N in play because the pth term and qth term and rth term. So this is the Tn. So replace N with P like we find the A, B, C. Okay? Write this concept. I'll wrote the concept. See, we have to prove A q minus R, B R minus P plus C P minus Q is equal to 0. Same question. And the given what? Pth term, qth term and rth term is given what? A, B, C, and prove that A q minus R plus B R minus P plus C P minus Q is equal to 0. See, we will solve the question. R the value of how much? A pth term means what? We will take the, listen, first we will find the series. How means, see, we don't know what is the first term. If Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 d, A is the first term na. So we will take, let x is equal to first term and d is equal to common difference. That means what? Common difference. Okay. Now, given pth term, how much? A So formula x plus p minus 1 into d a, because a plus n minus 1 d एटी लिखिदवा किमिति सिंस tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. In the same way, here a is the first term but x is first term nature, so x plus n, if n place n अच्छी, so p place it कौन रहा p minus 1 into a. This is equation 1. p term given, then b same way x plus what q minus 1 into d is equal to b. Okay, same, this is equation 2. Then r term to c, r term is equal to c. Now same formula, x plus r minus 1 into d is equal to what c. Okay, this is equation 3. All are the same formula, simple, nothing is difficult. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d, but we have to find the what peak term, that means tp is equal to a plus n minus 1 p plus n plus p put करे a की भी n plus p put करे कौन सा tp is equal to, you don't find the what is this is tp tr, here we can write tp like this but not necessary. Okay, if you want write then write it tq tr. Okay, now see, we have to find this to prove. See, first though equation 1 and equation 2 we have to subtract. Okay, see, subtract wait a minute. See, now minus equation 1 minus equation 2 कौन आसलो, subtract equation 2 from equation 1. What is the equation 1? X plus p minus 1 into d is equal to a, and equation 2 x plus q minus 1 into d is equal to b. All of you got it? See, subtract equation 2 from equation 1, that means this is the equation 1 what x plus p minus 1 into d, this is the equation 2 x plus q minus 1 into d. ए दुईटा को आम माइनस कर, this will be minus, this will be minus, this will be minus. See, x cancel, remaining p minus 1 into d minus q minus 1 into d is equal to a minus b. This minus this, this minus this. Now solve it. P see, p minus 1 d minus p this much. Take d as a common. If we will take d common, then what will be the term? See, if we take d common, p minus 1 q minus 1 is equal to what? A minus b. D common. Now solve this. PQ, p into q, PQ minus what? P minus q minus minus plus 1. Not necessary. Leave it. we will find the value of d directly, otherwise it will be so clumsy. D is equal to what? A minus B divided by P minus 1 Q minus 1. Okay, see, this is equation 2, equation 1 to Q minus 1, P minus 1, subtract. After that what we get? P minus Q, D minus Q minus 1 into D, then A minus B. Okay, see, D, P minus D take common, P minus D minus, this is the wrong, actually we multiply that. Okay, see, this is negative but we take as positive. P minus 1 minus Q minus 1. See, D, P minus 1 minus Q minus minus plus 1 is equal to A minus B. Minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. So D is equal to what? P minus Q, A minus B. And D is equal to A minus B, P minus Q. Sorry for this mistake. See, subtract collect, then P minus 1D minus Q minus 1D, A minus B, take this common D. What we have done, we multiplied it, but that is not multiplied, there is a minus symbol, that's why we subtract. Now find the value of D. In the same way, again subtract equation 3 from equation 2. What we get? Equation 2, x plus Q minus 1 D is equal to how much? B, x plus R minus 1 into D. This is what? C, subtract. This will be cancelled. Remaining what? Q minus 1 D minus R minus 1 D is equal to B minus A. Take D common like this. Q minus 1 minus R minus minus plus 1. Have done it directly because see, D common Q minus 1 minus R minus minus plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. What will we get? D into what? Q minus R. Q minus R is equal to what? B minus C. So D is equal to B minus C by Q minus R. See, here this place D what? A minus B by P minus Q. This D, B minus C and Q minus, both are equal na? Now to equate this, we will get this sum. First write it down, again we have to erase it and do the remaining sum. See, this is D, this is equation 3, sorry, this is equation 4 and this is equation 5. Because we have to equal this 2, then find this 10. This is other part. This is another part. This is what? From equation 2, 1. This is D value and this is equation 3, 2. This is D value. Okay. Don't think this is equal to this much. Okay. Write it, write it. Okay, see, from equation 4 and 5, what we get previously this sum, A minus B by P minus Q, B minus, because this is the D value, equation 4, and this is the D value, equation 5. Both are equal because equation 4 D value we got from equation 5 d values of both are equal. Now solve these two equations. Cross multiply a minus b, cross multiply q minus r is equal to p minus q, b minus c. Okay, see, cross multiply. Now solve this. A q minus this part, aq minus ar minus bq minus br is equal to pb minus pc, pb minus pc minus qb plus qc. Okay, see, pb pc qb qc minus plus c. ये जाए बुझिला ना, देखो केमिति आसला a q minus ar हम कौन बाहर पड़ो a q minus ar. Okay, this will be the a q minus r, then b r minus p, b r r bp, b r bp देखो कोड कोड अच्छे. This will part like aq minus ar. We have to segregate this like to find this value. Then cp minus q, then cp minus cq. Listen, this is aq minus r, bq, there is no bq, this is bq, will be cancelled. Okay, all of bring line side this, minus bq minus br minus pb plus pc plus bq, q with bq equal minus qc is equal to 0. What will be cancelled? This is ar minus bq plus bq minus bq plus bq, then remaining what? Nothing will. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 5 6 aq minus ar minus br minus pb bp plus pc minus qc is equal to 0. Okay, now solve this. A take common q minus r, from this a take common q minus r minus b minus r minus b minus p. Take minus common. If take minus common, what will you get? br plus bp. P take c common. Okay, p minus q is equal to 0.
సమాజంతో 1800 చెప్తాను సార్. అదే మీకు ఇచ్చేస్తానే నాకు ఇలాంటి ఇక్కడ పని తేలుతుంది. మాకు డబ్బులు ఇచ్చినారు, ఆ పేర్చి ఉండకూడదు నాకు.
We have to find the plus br. Something wrong. Minus pq minus minus plus br. Yes, this will be the, see, small mistake, the total sum will in trouble. Okay, now we got easily. See, minus minus plus br, b take common r minus b. Okay, simply. Sorry for the whole mistake. A minus q r, this much a q minus a r minus b q minus minus b r. Okay. proof. Okay. Finally, I am telling cross multiply it. A minus b q minus r. This will be the distribute. Okay. Now this much a cube minus ar minus bq minus minus plus dr is equal to same. Okay. Now all this value come to this side, then the value is 0 plus b minus